Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this video lesson, I am going to explain about sp2 hybridization in ethene molecule. Ethene is a organic molecule, that is carbon compound. Ethene exhibits which type of hybridization? That is sp2 hybridization. What is sp2 hybridization? And example ethene molecule. What is sp2 hybridization? When one s orbital and two p orbitals hybridized to give a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals is known as sp2 hybridization. That means when one s orbital and two p orbitals belonging to the same shell, that is same outermost shell, to intermixing to give a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, and the phenomenon is called as sp2 hybridization. Here s orbital is a spherical shape and p orbitals are dumbbell shape. The p orbital along the x-axis is called 2px orbital, along the y-axis is called as 2py orbital, and z-axis is called as 2pz orbital. These are p orbitals. In the p orbital is 3 degenerate orbitals, that is 2px, 2py, 2pz. In this, one s orbital and two p orbitals intermixing to give a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. The phenomenon is called as sp2 hybridization, and the remaining unhybridized orbital, that is 2pz orbital, is perpendicular to the axis like this. This is the 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. Each 3 sp2 hybrid orbital carrying one unpaired electron. This is the trigonal planar shape, and the bond angle is 120 degrees. The ethane molecule is the carbon of compound and the carbon containing molecule. The ethene chemical formula is C2H4. En represents the double bond between the carbon atom, and eth are the two carbon atoms. En represents double bond between the carbon atoms, and eth represents two carbon atoms. I represented like this. In the first carbon, this is the second carbon. In the first carbon atom, the general electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, because the carbon atomic number is 6. In the last outermost shell containing 4 electrons, the one electron jumps to 2pz orbital. It gives a like this. The excited state electronic configuration of carbon atom is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. In this excited state, the electrons in 2s orbital and 2 electrons in px and py orbitals, it gives a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. That means the intermixing of one s orbital, 2 p orbitals intermixing to give a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. The phenomenon is called as sp2 hybridization. Similarly, in the another carbon atom, second carbon atom having same, the general electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1, 2s2, 2p2. The excited state electronic configuration, the one electron jumps from 2s orbital to 2pz orbital. It gives a 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. Hydrogen having the atomic number is 1 and the general electronic configuration is 1s1. Similarly, in the 3 carbon atoms, 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals carrying 1 unpaired electron. This is the first carbon 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. It is in the shape trigonal planar shape. This is the second carbon atom. This is in the shape trigonal planar shape. This is the dotted shapes. P orbital represents them unpaired, represents the unhybridized orbital, pz orbital. In these 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals overlapping with hydrogen, 1s1 orbital to pairing to give a 4 1 2 3 4 sigma bonds. That means 4 sigma sp2s bonds are formed. Pairing to give a sigma sp2s bonds are formed in between carbon and hydrogen. And the 1s in the sp2 orbital carrying 1 electron and another carbon in sp2 orbital carrying 1 electron, pairing to give a sigma bond, that is side by side overlapping to give a sigma bond. And the pz orbitals are overlapping to give a pi bonds. This is the like this. The 4 sp2s gives a 4 sigma bonds and sp2 gives a 1 sigma bond because side by side overlapping. In the axial overlapping, pz and pz gives a pi bond, 1 pi bond in the ethane molecule. Like this, the bond angles are 120 degrees. This is the shape of ethane molecule, and ethane exhibits the sp2 hybridization. Thank you. Please